Welcome to this quick guide on how to share reports in AlemHealth Connect. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to securely share a finalized report with radiologists, clinicians, patients, facilities, or communities, all directly from your Worklist. Begin by logging into your AlemHealth Connect account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your Worklist. From your Worklist, open any study for which you have completed the reporting. Make sure the report is finalized before proceeding. Inside the study, click the Share button. You will now see multiple sharing options. You can choose to share with a radiologist or add a new radiologist, share with a clinician or add a new clinician, share directly with a patient via SMS, share with a facility connected to your account, or share with a community you are part of. For this demonstration, we will share the report with a radiologist. Select the radiologist from your list, then simply click Share. The report is now securely shared. And that's how easy it is to share reports in AlemHealth Connect. With flexible sharing options and secure delivery, you can ensure the right people receive the right information instantly. Thank you for watching, and continue exploring the powerful collaboration tools available within AlemHealth Connect.